In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload and create a custom emoji on a Discord server step by step, so you can add your own fun reactions, brand your community, or just make your server feel more personal. This is a super easy process once you know where to click, and by the end, you'll be able to upload an image, name your emoji, and use it in chat right away. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Discord tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Discord and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the Discord server where you have permission to manage emojis. This is important because if you don't have the right permissions, you won't be able to upload custom emoji to that server. Now look at the top left of Discord and click the server name. This opens the server menu, where you'll find all the settings for that server. From the menu, go down to Server Settings, and then select Emojis. This is the area where Discord lets you manage all of the custom emojis for your server. Once you're on the Emojis page, click Upload Emoji. A file picker will appear, and this is where you choose the image you want to turn into a custom emoji. Select the image file from your PC. For the best results, use a clear image with a simple background, because that usually looks better when it becomes a small emoji. After selecting the image, Discord will ask you to enter a name for the emoji. Choose a name that's short, easy to remember, and related to the emoji, so your server members can type it quickly in chat. Once the name is ready, click Save or Upload, depending on what Discord shows you. After that, your custom emoji should be added to the server emoji list. Now let's test it. Open any chat in the server, click in the message box, and type a colon followed by the emoji name. As you type, Discord should suggest the custom emoji you uploaded. Select it if needed, then send the message, and your custom emoji will appear in chat. That's it. You've successfully created and uploaded a custom emoji on a Discord server. It's a quick way to make your server more engaging and unique. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Discord tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.